Good morning, friends. Myself, Kirit sir. Now, in last video, we have seen the volume of cone. Today, we want to discuss the volume of sphere and volume of hemisphere. So, we have to start from volume of sphere. Volume of sphere, it's a three-dimension figure. So if I want to draw a figure, then it must be like that. So volume of sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. It's a one type of trial and error based method that will be do it by like that. In cylinder, here one more cylinder. So whatever the water come out, it will be measured 2 or 3 times. Then we can find out volume of sphere. So volume of sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here it is center, and from center I have to make r. So it is a radius. So 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is volume of sphere. Now if I will divide it by 2, then it will be look like that. That is called volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere, that is like that. So whatever I fill it inside, if water is filled inside, then we can find out the volume in capacity. So first of all, we have to solve some example. So first of all, you have to write 5 times 4 by 3 pi r cube, volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube, volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube, volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r. At least 5 times you have to write. Now same, if I want to find out the volume of hemisphere, then 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of hemisphere, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. If I will be divided by 2, it will be converted into a hemisphere. Hemi means half. So now one example that is at here. Find the volume of sphere of radius 11.2 centimeter. So what is given? Radius. So r is equal to 11.2 centimeter given. Now what is the formula? Mostly student I have seen that what they are doing mistake. They are remembered 4 by 3 pi r square. That is wrong. What I have to remember? 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube I have to remember. So 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi. Value of pi, if it is not given, then we have to use 22 by 7. Now if I will put all the values at here, 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 11.2. I have to write 11.2 3 times. Now here, what is the concept of it? You know how to multiply this thing. So you have to multiply this 11.2 into 11.2 into 11.2, and then 88 divided by 21. You will get 5.887.32 centimeter square. Generally, if I will divide this, 7 means 7. So if you will do 112 divided by 7, 7 means 7, 4 2, 7 6 42. So one of the it is, sorry, cancel at here and 16. others. Sorry, what we have to do again, we have to cancel with. Now if I will cancel this 7 with this, then answer is 16. Now there is no chance for cancellation. So 44 into 2, that is 88, and 16. Now 11.2, 11.2. So I have to make a square of 11.2. So 1, 1, 2, again 1, 1, 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, again 1, 2 1s are 1, 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, again 2, 1 and 1. Now if I will write, then 4, again 4, again 5, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 5, 4, 4. So what I have to write at here? 1, 2, 5, 4, 4. Now I have to rub this. What is we can get? 1, 2, 5, 4, 4. Now again divided by 3. Now if you will see properly here, 8 plus 4, 12. It is not possible to divide it. So 1, 2, 5, 4, 4. Again multiply by 16. Again multiply by 88. Then we have to divide it by 3. So again 88 into 16. 1, 2, 5, 4, 4 into 16. So 1, 2, 5, 4, 4 into 16. Again multiply by 88 divided by 3. You will get 5887.32 centimeter square cube. Always remember the unit of it. Always remember unit of it is must be centimeter cube. So I hope this is the example. Now we concentrate one more example. Again one more example is at here. So question, a shot put. I think you have seen that shot puts. It's a one type of Olympic game. That is, it's a one type of spear. And if I want to throw it, that is metallic spear of radius 4.9 centimeter. If the density of the metal is, if I will weight it, then the density of it is 7.8 gram per centimeter cube. Find the mass. We have to find out the weight. We cannot directly find out the weight of a shot put. First of all, I want to find out the volume. So first of all, to find out the volume, again it's a metallic sphere. So I have to write the formula volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now what is the value of r? That is given, that is 4.9 centimeter. And what is the value of pi? We know that pi value is 22 by 7. Now if I will put all value at here, 7 7s are, so I have to write 0.7. Now 49 square 88, 3 we cannot divide it. So we can see that it here 44 into 2, that is 88 into 0.7. Now 49 square. We know the 49 square. 49 square. 9 9s are 81. 4 4s are 16. Cross multiply 72. So 1 0 1 4. So 2 4 0 1. So I have to write 2 4 0 1. But point after point. Here one decimal is there, after point one decimal, so I have to put point at 2 decimal. Now 88 into 7, 7 8 ja 56, carry 5, again 7 8 ja 56, 56 plus 5 61. Afterward one point is there, so I have to write it here. Now into 24.01. So again I have to multiply 61.6 multiplied by 24.01. The answer is nearly. Why it should be nearly? Because mostly we have seen that when it is divided by 3. Now how they take? See. Now after point there is only 0 1 digit is there. So if I will divide with this 3 8s are 24. So I can take approximately 8. Now 61 point multiplied by 8. 6 8s are 48. Here carry 4. 8 1s are 8 plus 4 12, carry 1, 6 8 ja 48 plus 1 49. Now after point there is one digit, so 492.8. so we can write 493 centimeter cube. That is why they are right nearly. How they are right nearly? 24.08 divided by 3. So we can write directly 8. 3 8 is 24. So now 493 centimeter cube. Now question is find out the mass of shot put. So I have to find out the weight. So first of all, if I find out the volume, then convert into a weight. How we can convert volume into a weight? Because in it question 1 centimeter cube is given as a 7.8 gram. If you will see properly, 1 centimeter cube is equal to 7.8 gram. Now if 1 centimeter cube is equal to 7.8 gram, then how many centimeter cube we have? 493. So 7.8 multiplied by 493. Now let me see that the answer is correct or not. So 7.8 into 493. So again now what I have to do? I have to multiply 493 into 78. Then we can get answer that is in gram. So 493 multiplied by 78. Now 8 3 are 24, carry 2, 8 9 is 72 plus 2 that is 4, carry 7, 8 4 is 32 plus 7 39. Now here 1 cross, 7 3 is 21, carry 2, 7 9 is 63 plus 2 5, carry 6, 7 4 is 28 plus 6 34, 4 5 14, carry 1, 8 3. Afterward, how many points are there? If you will see, after a point is one digit is there, so I have to write it here. So 384.44 gram. Now they are writing answer in kg. So anyone say, if I want to convert into gram, if I want to convert gram into kg, what I have to do? Who tell me? That is divided by 1000. If you divide it by 1000, we can get answer in kg, because we know the relation of it. 1 kg relation is equal to 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Therefore, 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. So here gram is there, and I want to convert into a kg. So I have to divide it by 1000. Then answer is what? Point afterward point 1, 2 and 3 digits are there. So 3.8454 kg. But convert into nearby. So here 5 is there. Here digit is 5. So we can write 3.85 kg. I hope you have understand this type of sum, and whatever I explained, you have understand it. So now one more example we have to see. So maybe possible such type of sums are there. Now next example, it is related with the hemisphere. So we know that hemisphere, volume of hemisphere formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Remember it, radius is given 3.5. So I have to write r is equal to 3.5. And pi value is not given. So I have to write pi is equal to 22 by 7. Now, if I will put all this value, that we can cancel or not. So we can cancellation by 0.5. 2 by 3, 22 by 7, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. Now 0.5 into 2, many times we have discussed. It's a one type of basic question. 2 multiplied by 0.5, answer is 1. 2 multiplied by 0.5, answer is 1. So here 2 multiplied by 0.5, answer is 1. And 22 into 35 square, we know. If someone asks to us 25 square, 5 square, 25 I have to write, 3 4s that right. And 12.25 I have to write. So 12.25 upon 3. Now we know that 2 into 0.5, that is 1. 1 into 2, that is 22. So but just multiply 22 into 12.25 and then we divided by 3. So 1225 into 22. 5 to the 10, 2 to the 4, plus 1 5, 2 to the 4, 2 1 that. Again same, 0, 5, 4, 2. Now if I add these, now how afterward decimal points are there? 2. 12.25, so I have to write it here. So 269.50 divided by 3. What is the answer? Is 89. So if I will now divide 269.50 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24. Here it is 0, 2, 9. 3 9s are 27. Remaining is 2. Again 5. 3 8s are 24. Again 0. 3 3s are 9. Afterward repeated. So actually point is at here, but 2 digits. So 89.83 centimeter cube. I hope that you have to write this, because already I explained how to multiply. Even though we can know the decimal multiplication, even though we can know the decimal divide, whatever you learn in 5th, 6th and 7th, still again I explain, because in this lesson volume, whenever volume is there, we have to multiply 2, 3, 4 digits. So already I explained it. Now we go for exercise. So be ready, first write this and then we concentrate on exercise. I hope you have written it. So now we go for exercise. Here, question start now. Find the, now you compulsory, already we have discussed, when the online lectures are there, you have to write to whatever we have explained maths on a smart board, that you have to write in your rough book, and then you have to send in a application as a homework. So compulsory you have to go through video properly, write the related. So first the formula, volume of sphere. So now who will give me the answer of volume of sphere? So volume of sphere already we have discussed, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. I have to write volume of sphere. Question number 1. What is given, that we have to write first. What is given? That is radius. So find volume of sphere with radius 7 centimeter. So what is given? Question number 1. What is given? First, radius r is equal to 7 centimeter, pi is equal to 22 by 7. Volume of sphere now, volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now what I have to do? Value of pi I have to put, value of r I have to put. So 4 by 3, value of pi, that is given 22 by 7, and value of r I have to put 3 times, that is 7 into 7 into 7. Now 7 7 cut. 88 into 49 divided by 3. Now multiply. Who will give me the answer of 88 into 49? Multiply 88 into 49. 88 multiplied by 49. You will get some answer. So who will give me answer? Let me try it here. 88 into 49. So 88 multiplied by 49. 8 9s are 72. Here it is 7. 8 9 again 72 plus 7 792. Again cross at here, 8 4s are 32. Again 3 at here, 8 4s are 32 plus 3 35. Now 2 11 carry 1 13 carry 1 4. So answer is 4 4 3 1 2 and then divided by 3. Now 4 3 1 2 divided by 3. So 4 3 1 2 divided by 3. 3 is a prime number. So when we divide, it may be either recurring number. So 4 ones are, 3 ones are 3, 1 3 13, 3 4s are 12, 1 11, 3 3s are 9, 2 22, 3 7s are 21. Remainder is 1. So I can write 1 4 3 7. What is remainder? 1 upon 3 centimeter cube. That is the answer. So compulsory you have to write both this multiplication and divisible. So in each sum in volume of sphere, mostly we have seen that we multiply it. So we can know how to multiply. We also divide it. So we can also one type of revision of divisible. So write this. So first sum I have completed. Now try it yourself second sum and give me the answer of it. Then we concentrate on question number 2. Clear? So first of all, here it is. What is the difference between question number 1 and 2? In question number 1 there is a unit, that is centimeter, while in question number 2 there is a unit meter. So when you are doing the solution or find the volume, if you are finding the volume, you have seen that your unit or your answer, in one answer is centimeter cube and other answer is meter cube. One answer is centimeter cube, another answer is meter cube. So now question number 2, find the amount of water displaced by a solid sphere of bowl of a diameter. So now in question number 2, the diameter is given. So everyone know about the diameter and the relation of radius. Diameter and the relation of radius, d is equal to 2 multiplied by radius. So diameter is equal to twice of radius. So we can easily find radius by dividing the diameter by 2. If diameter is equal to 2 into radius, then radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. That is, you have to put value of d, that is given as a 28 centimeter. Then we can write radius is equal to 14 centimeter. So remember it, that whenever diameter is given, there is a relation, diameter is equal to twice of radius. Therefore radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2 and diameter is given 28. So we can take radius is equal to 14 centimeter. Now which formula I have to use? Volume of sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Put this value and give me answer of it. Already I have written question number 7 first. You have question number first sum. That is last exercise, that is 13.7. You have to now do question number 2. Find the amount of water displayed by solid sphere of bowl of diameter 28 centimeter. Therefore radius is equal to 14 centimeter. Let me try for it. First, what is given? That is question number 2 now. what is given? Diameter is given as a 28 centimeter. So I can directly write radius is equal to 14 centimeter. Now, if volume of sphere is formula, here it is a solid spherical board. So I have to write 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now if I will put value of 4, value of pi, that is 22 by 7, and value of r, that is 14, 14, 14. How many times I have to write? 14, 14, 14, 3 times. And if I will do the cancellation, then 2. So 14, 7 to the 14. Now 4 into 22 into 2. So 88 into 2. 14 square. 15 square, 225, 14 square, 196. Divided by 3. So I have to write 176. 176 multiplied by 196 divided by 3. Now already we know that here all the digit whatever we have get, all but divisible by 3. So 176 multiplied by 196 divided by 3. Who will give answer of 176 multiplied by 196? Who will give answer of 176 multiplied by 196? And then what we have to do? We have to divide it by 3. Now who multiply? Let me check. Someone has to multiply and give me answer of it. 176 into 196. Again 7 to the 14. 88 into 2, 16, 176, 14 square, 196. Now 176 into 196, then I have to divide it by 3. So those who are doing, that is very good. Those who are not doing, they have to write 6 6 are 36, 3, 9, 6 9 are 54, plus 3, 7, 5, 6 1 are 6, 5 11, plus 5 11. Again 1, 7 6 are 42, carry 4, 7 9 are 63, plus 4, 67, carry 6, 7 1 are 7, plus 6, 13. Now 2 cross we have to write 1 6 are 6, 1 9 are 9, 1 1 are 1. Now to multiply, that is 6, that is 9, that is 14, carry 1, 10, 14, carry 1. So 3, 4, 4, 9, 6. Now you try to multiply yourself and we can get same answer, then we continue. Otherwise how we can divide it? So I kindly request, solve this sum in your rough book fastly and give me answer of it, so we can understand that it is our answer is correct. So 3 1s are 3, 0, 4, again 3 1s are 3, 4, again 3 4s are 12, again 2, 2 9, 9s are 27, again 2 6, 8s are 24, again 2, 0.6. So continuous we will do then 6 7. So according to me 1149.8.67 centimeter cube. Now if you will get answer, let me see that our answer is correct or not, or if we are doing some wrong thing in multiplication, then we can get incorrect answer. So 11498, 3 integer by 2 integer by 3 they can write. So it is answer is also correct here. Remainder is 2. So we can also write answer 11498 2 upon 3 centimeter cube. two answers are there. We can write also this 1149.8.666. We can write 6 centimeter cube or 11498 2 upon 3. In fact, if you will see the answer, there are 3 by 2. That is not possible. We have to write 2 integer by 3. So it is better that you write this and already now concentrate on third. So first write this. Let me say symbolical that you have complete, sir, or in symbol you have to say me, sir, I have complete. Then we have to go for next sum. So one more sum. Let me do. I have to rub this. Question number 3. Diameter is given, that is 4.2 centimeter. So we can know the radius is equal to 2.1 centimeter. So we have to find out volume is equal to, here it is a metallic ball. So volume of metallic ball 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we can write 4 by 3, 22 by 7 into r cube, that is 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. Now if I will cancel with this, then answer is 0.3. Again I 3 will cancel, then 88 into 0.1 into 21 square, 441, so 4.41. If I multiply, I will get 8.8 multiplied by 4.41. Now I want to convert into 8.9 gram. So again I have to multiply with 8.9 gram. Why? Because whatever you will get answer at here, that is centimeter cube. If you will get answer, it is centimeter cube. So now centimeter cube we have to convert into kg when we are converting into a gram. So 88 into 441. So I am multiplying it here. Set 88. So 2 times multiply 8 into 8. 8 4 are 32. 4 8 4 are 32. 6. Now again I have to write 8 2 6 3. Now if I will do 8 10 1 9 9 3. So we can get answer 39.908. 1 2 3. After 39.908 again multiply by with 89. So if I want to multiply now, 39.908 multiply by 89. 8 9 is 72. 7 9 0 is 0. 7 9 9 is 81. 8 9 9 is 81 plus 8 89. 8 8 9 is 9 3 is 27. 27 plus 8 35. 8 8 is 64. 6 8 0 is 0. 6 8 9 is 72. 7 8 9 is 72 plus 7, that is 9. 79 again 7. 8 is 24 plus 7. 8 is 24 plus 7, that is 31. So 2 1 1 8 1 1 15 1 5 3. So we can get 3 5 5 1 8 1 2. So how many point after point 3 digit and after point 1 digit? So total 4. 1 2 3 and 4. So 0 3 5 5.1812 gram. Now if I will be divided by 1000, the answer must be 0.355 kg. Now let me see that our answer is correct or not. It's a mathematical calculation in this exercise, and this is the last exercise, so it requires more calculation. So you can check that our answer is correct or not. So 13.7 we are doing question number 13.8 we are doing question number third sums I am doing. So 345 gram say 39. So I think here we are doing some mistake at here. Answer is 3. Question number third is there. 13.8 question number third. Answer is 345.39. So 345. I think here some mistake is there. So again there is one multiplication mistake may be possible, that is here we have not get 345. Let me check that where we are doing the mistake. May be possible when we are doing the metallic bolt 4/3, we can get it's 88 into 441, 8 for 32 3, 32 6, 8 10 9 9 3. Okay, 39908 into 89. So whatever I am doing at multiply here, I think we are doing some mistake. That is why I think here it should be 0 at here. Then here it is 4. So these are all the calculative work that we have to do in this lesson. So mostly now 1, 2 and 3 sums. Now in next lecture we can see how we can find out volume by using the area. So it is sufficient that already we have completed. Now happy Uttarayan, because now already I think when you are free on that time, Uttarayan is good. So be safe and stay at home. Thank you.